In this video, you are going to see how to protect a particular area in Microsoft Excel. Suppose I want to protect this area, this one and this area, but I want to keep and protect this area. So how can I do this? First, let me click on over here to select all the sheet. Click on right button, go to format cell, go to protection and click on the locked and click on OK. Then all the cell will be locked. Now I want to make this area editable. Select the area, click on right button, go to format cell and uncheck the lock sign and click on OK. So this area will be locked and this particular area will be editable. Now go to preview, go to protect sheet and I can use a password 123 and 123 and click on OK. And here you will see this area is not editable, but in this area I can edit very easily. If you want to unprotect it, go to review, go to unprotect sheet and hit 123 the password and click on OK. Then it will be unprotected. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.